Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Super Cub storage containers is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for any home or workspace, offering a practical solution to declutter and organize your life, ensuring that everything from pantry staples to craft supplies has its designated place, making your daily routines smoother and your environment more serene. Number 5. 90L Large Storage Bags, 6-pack. Introducing our large storage bags, offering a generous 90-liter capacity. They are perfect for storing your travel essentials, bedding, blankets, pillows, toys, and clothing. Crafted from soft yet strong fabric, these organizers feature reinforced handles. With double-layered stitching, they offer exceptional load-bearing capacity and durability for long-term use. Effortlessly access your belongings with smooth dual-slider zippers. A convenient clear window on the front allows you to quickly see what's inside without opening the bag. Made from upgraded, odorless, 3-ply composite non-woven fabric, these storage solutions promote ventilation. This ensures your stored items are protected and remain fresh. These foldable storage bags are perfect for any space, including closets, under beds, dorm rooms, attics, and bedrooms. Their attractive design also complements your room decor. For optimal stability, we recommend stacking these soft storage bags with heavier items at the bottom and lighter items on top. Placing them in a stable location like a cabinet will keep your space tidy and secure. What we like? If you have a lot of seasonal clothes or bedding to store, these large capacity bags are perfect. The reinforced handles make them easy to move, even when full. If you like to keep your closets tidy and easily see what's inside, you should consider these. What people say. The containers are stackable, saving space. They are made of durable, BPA-free plastic. The lids have a secure locking mechanism to prevent spills. Number 4. BAGAIL 8-set packing cubes, dusty blue. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these cubes keep your clothes protected from wrinkles and stains. They are built to withstand the rigors of travel and are even water repellent to safeguard against spills. The lightweight fabric neatly stores your clothes without adding bulk to your luggage. Featuring a double-way zipper with an extended cord, accessing your items is a breeze. The mesh top panel also helps with ventilation and identification. Available in multiple sizes and colors, these organizers help you separate different types of clothing. This makes packing efficient, saves you time, and maximizes the available space in your luggage. These organizers fit perfectly into various suitcase sizes. The smaller bags are ideal for carry-ons, backpacks, or duffel bags, making them suitable for all kinds of travel, from family vacations to business trips. Streamline your packing process with these cubes. They allow for efficient sorting and organization, saving you time and effort while ensuring a more comfortable and stress-free travel experience. What we like? For travelers who want to stay organized and protect their belongings, these packing cubes are a great choice. The water-repellent fabric is a nice touch for peace of mind. If you're looking for a way to pack efficiently and save time finding your items, these will be very useful. What people say. The containers are stackable, saving space. They are made of durable, BPA-free plastic. The lids seal tightly, keeping food fresh. Number 3. Super Cubes 1-cup silicone freezer molds with lids. Save time and money with these convenient freezer molds. They make meal prep simple by helping you portion, freeze, and store your favorite foods. These silicone food molds feature easy portioning with convenient fill lines. Quickly pop out perfectly portioned meals for a fast lunch or easy dinner. Our durable trays have thick walls and a steel-reinforced rim for mess-free freezing. Frozen portions pop out easily for transferring to bags. These trays make it simple to freeze perfectly portioned ingredients. Create easy mix and match meals throughout the week while saving time and reducing waste. Made from 100% platinum-cured silicone, they are oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. Enjoy easy reheating and cleanup. Perfect for busy parents, meal prepping, or anyone looking to reduce food waste. They help organize your freezer and stretch your grocery budget. What we like? If you're a meal prepper or looking to reduce food waste, these silicone molds are fantastic. The 1-cup portions are convenient for freezing soups, sauces, or leftovers. If you want to easily portion, freeze, and reheat meals, these are a must-have. What people say. The lid seals tightly, keeping contents fresh. Stackable design saves a lot of space in the pantry. Clear containers make it easy to see what's inside. Number 2. 18-piece glass food storage containers with lids. Introducing our set of 18 glass food storage containers. They are perfect for meal prep, packing lunches, storing leftovers, and organizing your pantry. Our containers feature easy closing locking lids that create a reliable seal. This makes daily food storage and meal prep incredibly convenient. These durable borosilicate glass containers are safe for use in the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. Simply remove the lids before heating. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass and BPA-free lids, they resist stains and odors. This offers a durable and reusable food storage option. Maximize your kitchen space with these stackable containers. They help keep your refrigerator, freezer, and cabinets neatly organized. Whether at home, in the office, or while traveling, these containers are a practical solution for all your everyday food storage needs. What we like. For those who prioritize healthy eating and organized meal prep, these glass containers are excellent. The durable borosilicate glass is safe for various temperatures, making reheating a breeze. If you want a reusable, stain-resistant, and leak-proof solution for your meals, these are a solid pick. What people say. The containers are stackable, saving space. They are made of durable, BPA-free plastic. The lids seal tightly, keeping food fresh. Number 1. Sterilite 6-quart storage box, 12-pack. Introducing the Sterilite 6-quart storage box, a versatile solution for your everyday storage needs. This pack includes 12 clear boxes with white snap lids, perfect for organizing any room in your home. Each container features a sturdy white lid that snaps securely onto the clear base. This design ensures your items are protected and provides a convenient grip for easy handling and lifting. These boxes are ideal for a variety of basic and lightweight storage tasks. They are designed to help you keep your belongings tidy and accessible. With exterior dimensions of 1358L x 814W x 478H, they offer ample space without taking up too much room. The interior bottom dimensions are 1114 x 618 x 414. You can trust in the quality and durability of these storage boxes, as they are proudly made in the USA. They are built to last and serve your organizational needs effectively. What we like. If you have small items that need organizing around the house, like craft supplies or hardware, these small storage boxes are ideal. They are lightweight and the snap-on lids keep things secure. If you're looking for a simple, no-frills solution for basic storage needs, these are a good option. What people say. The containers are stackable, saving space. They are made of durable, BPA-free plastic. The lids have a secure locking mechanism to prevent spills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.